Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve Geek and his game of coin. First of all, go to problem statement. In problem statement, we have given three numbers in X and Y, and Geek and his friend are playing a coins game. And in the beginning, there are a number of coins. In each move, a player can pick X, Y, or in one coin, and Geek always starts the game first. Okay, you have to determine whether Geek will win the game or not if both players play optimally. Okay, understand this. First, we need to understand approach of this problem statement. First, we define DP array to check true if Geek can win or not. To check, then we initialize a base case DP 0 to false, because if no coins are left, then player to move loss, and then DP will transmit for each of a number of coins I from 1 to n, and n will determine if geeks can make move such that result in this, and at the last stage it will create final decision. DP will tell us if geek can guarantee to win with win coins. This now in example 1, n equals to 5 and x is 3, y is 4. Okay, in geek stand, geek always first in problem statement given here in Geek stand, total number of coin is 5. Total number of n equals to 5. So if Geek pick one coin, if Geek one coin, then 4 coin will remaining for Geek spin, and if Geek pick 3 coin, then 2 coin will remaining. In option 3, if Geek pick 4 coin, only 1 coin in will remaining out of 5 coins. Okay, and in diagram it is also 4, 2, these 3 turn, and in friends turn, after Geek picking 1 case. After Geek pick 1, then 3 will remaining, because total number of coins is 4. 4. Total is 5, and Geek picks 4. So only friend picks 1, remaining 4. Geek picks 1, remaining 4 is for his friend. So if friends 1 from this 4, then 3 will remaining, and next move is Geek. And then if or option 2, if Geek's friends pick 3 coin, then leaving 1 coin, then it will go to next to Geek move. Or option 3, it may be if friend picks 4 coin, then leaving 0 coins, because total number of coins is now 4 in friend side. Okay, so Greek win immediately in that case. And third is if friends turn after Geek picks 3 coin. This condition, this second condition, if pick if Geek picks 3 coin, then 2 coins will remaining. Already said. In that case, friend can pick 1 coin and leaving 1 coin. Okay, just total number of coin is 2, and other side friend can't pick 3 or 4 coins, because it is not more than 2 coins. Only 2 coins are total are 2 coins, so we can't move. Friend can move 3 or 4 coins. And in the last case, friend turn after geek coins. If geek picks 4 coin, only 1 coin left, then friend can pick only 1 coin, because total number of coin is now 1 coin in friend side. So in that case, Geek win immediately. In second example, total number of coin is 2 and x is 3, y is 4. Okay, in Greek stand, if Geek pick 2 coin, 2 coin, then 1 coin, total number of 2 coin. If give pick 1 coin, then remaining will be 1 coin in friend side. Now in friend side, friend turn, if geek friend pick 1, then remaining coin will be 0. Now no moves left for geek. So in this case, friend will win. Now in pseudocode, first we initialize DP array with false value. So we create this, then we create a base case to initialize DP that no coins left means losing state for player to move. Then we fill the DP array I to from I to 1 to n. Then we check all possible moves, creating a if condition, and then it will return the result with the for n coins. Okay, now go to problem statement. First of all, in the one more thing, the time complexity will be of n and space complexity also of n. Now, in this code, I also discuss in pseudocode. First, we initialize DP array, then we create a for loop to check if any moves can leave opponent in a losing state. Okay, so we created if, then at the last stage it will return the our minimum. We also said minimum result with equal this one. Now compile and run, and now submit. We solve today's problem. See you in next video. Still in Tata.